Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Suru Studio. Welcome back to Linux course. Today we will discuss about grep command, find command and file permissions. Okay, in grep command, it's a search commands. Means we can search the word or strings in a particular file. Use it to search for text in a particular file. Then find command. Use it to search for file directories in a specified path. Means it's same like as a find option in Windows. Then file permissions, read, write and execute. In file permissions we have two methods. There one is symbolic method and one is absolute methods. Absolute method means numeric method. Okay, let's go to the session. In previous session we discussed about the filter commands and long list the files. Filter command means more less head, tail, set, chart commands. Okay, now we have a grep find and file permissions. Now we can see the grep command. With grep we can find, means we can search the word or string in a particular file. See here, cat. If you want to find our input in this file, grep our file name. See here, wherever the hour is there, that searching word, it shows that line. Okay, this is Linux. OUR is there and shows with color. Grep Linux Vim. See, only one it's showing. This is Linux course, but here also we have a Linux, but it starts with uppercase letter. To avoid this uppercase letter, this case sensitivity, we can use the -I option while using the grep command. Grep -I Linux Vim. See here, now it's showing the two lines. Okay, for I for case sensitivity. And grep -v. V means it displays the things except the given word. For example, Linux, I can give the Linux Vim. See, it gives the all the things except this line. This is Linux course. Except that line, all data will displayed here. V means verbose, means except that word, it will display the all things. Grep command we can use the other way as well. Cat vim pipe symbol, we can call it as a pipe symbol in Linux. This is the one. Then grep, which word you are searching for the word in particular file. Our, see, same output we will get it directly with grep command. We can use the grep command, or else cat open the file, then you can search the word with grep command. Okay, then cat vam grep. If you want to display the before two lines of a specific word, before two lines of a specific word, this is the command b2 vam, sorry, b2 our vam. See, it's showing 1 2 before two lines it shows. Okay, or else you can, or if you want to print the two lines before the specific word, use the grep hyphen capital B to Fedora in Vim file. See here, before 2 lines it displayed. If you want to display the after 2 lines of the specific word, A, capital A you can use. See, after 2 lines it's displayed. If you want to display both after and before lines of the particular word, you can give C, capital C word. See, if you want to print the before and after the word 2 lines with line numbers, just give N here. See, this is the 4th line, 5th line. This is the word what we searched. This is the word we searching for in particular file. Then 2 lines it's printed with line numbers. Then we will go with find command. Syntax is find slash means whole system means it is a under root means all files and all directories it will search for a particular option. Then hyphen options, we have a options in find command, then file name. Okay, now we will experience this one. Yeah, find slash etc. In slash etc I need hyphen name. Okay, password. See here, with the name, whatever the files with the passed files, it will display under the slash etc. If you want to search the whole root directory, just remove the slash etc. It will search the whole system means whole. See here, from all slash sysys fis linux class password here, password file there here in this path, and this is the another path for password file. If you want to find a particular type of a file or directory, for that command is find slash etc slash hyphen type, f means file. Okay, hyphen name, I name, group, I can group. See here, only files it's displayed. If you want to directories, D, nothing is there with directories, that's why it won't show. See here, dir, this is the directory. Okay, type of your file means we can search with a file name or directories. If we didn't give the anything after slash, it finds the whole system. Okay, if you give the particular directory, it will finds in that particular directory only. If you want to search with inode number also, we can search find slash hyphen I num, sorry, inum hyphen inum some code 589. See, for this file inode number is this. Okay, if you want to check this, copy ls hyphen l, sorry, see here 589 is the inode number for this particular file. Like that we can search with inode number as well. So we can search with user as well. Find slash hyphen user root, which file is the owner of the root, that all files will displayed here. If you want to search with group also, we can search. This is the instead of user we can give the group. Yeah, now file permission. First of all, what is file permissions? File permissions means It's determine the who can access the files and directories on a system, and how means that particular user only need the access for read only. For that particular user, he need the right execute permissions as well. Like that, it determine the who can access the files and directories on a system and how. Just ls hyphen l. Yeah, these all are the permissions. R means read, W means write, X means executable permissions. Okay. In file permissions, we have three types is there. First one is user group, user permissions, group permissions, and other permissions. User permissions means who is the owner of the particular file, that is the user. Group means that particular user under which group, means that particular file is in which under which group, that permissions. Then others means except the owner of the file, other users. First one, this is the one. These three are the user permissions. Next three are the group permissions. Next three are the other user permissions. Okay, means user permissions means owner of the directory have all permissions, read, write, executable permissions. But you, that group of the this directory have only read and execute file, no write access for this group, and other users as well, no write access for this directory. Okay, these all are the permissions. In file permissions, we have two methods. One is symbolic method, another one is absolute method. Symbolic method means user means we can call it as a u, group permissions means g, other permissions means o. But in absolute methods, number wise means for read we can call it as a 4, for write 2, for execution 1. Okay, if you want to give the full permissions, 777 is the full permissions. Okay, for example, if you want to change the permissions for a test file, see here, for test files, for user read and write, for group only read, for others only read. If you want to give the execute permissions for the user, see here, that is for that command is chmod u means user. If you want to add the execution x to which file, test file. Now we can check it. See here, for test file, user have all permissions. Okay, if you want to remove the write permissions for the test file, chmod u minus w test. See, the write permissions is gone. Okay, now we can check with absolute method. Okay, 777 means what? Read, write, execute. Or else if you want to only read write for test file, 4 plus 2 6. Then for that others also you need the 3 per 3 6 3 1 test file. See what happened? Sorry, see here, for test permissions is changed. For directories also same way. Okay, chmod is the to change the permission, chmod is the command. 7 means for user all permissions will get it. 6 means read and write. 2 means only write. 1 means only execute permissions. 4 means only read permissions. Okay, chmod first permission means if I give the 7 for user read write execute permissions will get it. Okay, then I can give the only one means only execute permissions to the group. Then I need the 4 for others for VIM. See, the permissions will change now. See, for user read write execute is there. For groups only I give the only execute permission. For others only read permissions. We can give the other way also. We can give the permissions chmod u equal to which permissions need the file only read and execute. I can give rx group what permissions you need only read and write comma others which permissions need only read execute for which file test1 file. See, test1 file before only read write, here it's changed read and execute, read write, read and execute. If you want to give the all permissions to the file means user group and other have all permissions read write and execute chmod 777 we can give or else ugo equal to rwx hard file I can give ls-l. See, for hard file all permissions is there. If I create a file, see, by defaultly whenever we creating a file some permissions is creating means for users rw, for groups only read, for others only read. How these permissions is creating based on the umask value. Okay, umask, yes, see, 022 by defaultly for all Linux system 022 is the umask value. Okay, how it's calculated means umask value is 022. Okay, by defaultly for directories 777 is there. Okay, for files 666 is there. Subtract from the umask value. Okay, if you subtract from the 666 what permissions will give 6 6 4 and 4. 6 means what it is, 6 means read and write for user. Okay, see here for user read and write, then 4 and 4. 4 and 4 means 4 means only read for group, other 4 is for group others. Okay, like that. For directories 022 means, see, for directories user have all permissions read write and execute, for groups read and execute, for others read and execute. Based on the umask value it will change. If you want to change the umask value, I'll change to the umask value umask 011. Okay, now you give the umask. Yeah, now I'll create a one file, see which permissions is will create that particular file. Touch umask ls-l umask. See, What permissions? The permissions is changed. Okay, based on the Umask value, permissions will changed. See here, before it's 022, now it's 011. Mask 022. I'll change for default. Today we discuss grep command, find command, file permissions, and umask. Umask default value is 022. Thanks guys. Have a good day. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.